Zapier AI Automation Review. Watch before using. Most people think automation is complicated or expensive, but Zapier uses AI to simplify workflows, saving time, and reducing manual tasks. Zapier is an automation platform that connects over 5,000 apps, allowing users to create workflows called Zaps that automate repetitive tasks. One standout feature is its AI-assisted workflow builder. With AI, Zapier can suggest automations based on your app usage and even generate custom workflows without manual setup. Most people get this wrong. They assume AI automation is only for tech experts. The surprising truth is Zapier is built for anyone, from small business owners to large teams. For example, you can automatically save email attachments to cloud storage, post social media updates at scheduled times, or sync new leads from forms directly into your CRM all without touching a line of code. Another advantage is time savings. By automating repetitive tasks, teams can focus on higher value work. Analytics dashboards show how much time each Zap saves, and AI recommendations help you discover new efficiencies you might never have considered. However, there are considerations. Complex automations may require premium plans, and AI-generated workflows sometimes need adjustments to fit specific business needs. Security is strong, but sensitive data should still be monitored carefully. In conclusion, Zapier is perfect for anyone looking to streamline tasks, connect apps, and leverage AI to boost productivity. Its combination of app integrations, AI suggestions, and user-friendly interface makes it a powerful tool to simplify everyday work. Subscribe for more honest AI automation reviews before transforming your workflows.